my hat.
A little bit of a snowstorm here in Chicago.
I shoveled like an hour ago.
Just keeps coming down.
Well, we've got sheets of ice on the river tonight, and they're starting to get a little bit of snow on top. It's not that cold, it's only about 30 degrees. It's just below freezing, but the snow is coming down like crazy. I just shoveled 2 inches of snow, and I shoveled it about an hour ago. It's also ridiculously quiet right now.
There's the Sears Tower, if you can believe it.
It should be there. One thing about being at a marina is it's pretty easy. You just shovel it right in the water.
Bubblers are doing their job and keeping them away from the boats. So here, the little bits of ice, but the bubblers are keeping the water flowing so that it doesn't clump up next to the boats. So here we are on the bow of the boat, under the wrap, as you can see, and in the midst of a snowstorm. One thing that we actually enjoy doing, that's a great thing about this raft, it keeps it off the boat, as you can see, but it piles up here on the plastic. And what's really fun to do it's easier than shoveling, right? But it's good to get it off because it creates a lot of weight. It'll eventually slide off as well. But having it there in the morning tomorrow when it starts to get sunny, will keep it dark and cooler in here. So knocking it off now will make it a little bit warmer tomorrow. Today is January 31st, and we hate to go a month without getting out on our dinghy, so today's the last day to do it, and we have a beautiful snowstorm in Chicago. We've gotten about a foot over the past day, and thought this is the perfect time to get the dinghy out. So here we are.
Hi. It's a lovely day. If you've never seen the saga of our dinghy motor, we went through 2 other motors before this one, and I decided Yamaha is the way to go. When you watch videos of people in Africa, they all drive Toyota trucks because they last. And when you watch videos of people in China or anywhere else in third world countries where they need a boat motor that lasts, they all drive Yamahas. This motor has not been started in over a month. It's below freezing right now, so let's see how it does. First pull. That's why you buy a Yamaha.